Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to increase touchscreen sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to increase touchscreen sensitivity can be beneficial in various situations. For instance, if you are wearing gloves or using a screen protector that affects touch responsiveness, increasing sensitivity can help ensure smoother interaction with your device. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you have to go to the settings on your device. Well, so now find display menu and tap on the option. Okay, after that scroll down this page until you find touch sensitivity option. Next, you can turn it on like this to increase touchscreen sensitivity on your device. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to increase touchscreen sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.